Alright, so here we are making the leather toiletry bag for Scott for Christmas. I have never done this. I've made some stuff with leather before, but not much. I went over to my friend's house and got help stitching this up really nicely for the main part of the bag. But now I'm going to hand stitch it with a sewing awl to get the bottom on and everything like that. And then what we'll do is we're just wrapping a zipper around the top, so it's going to zip like this. And then these ends will kind of like fold down a little bit. So yeah, it's going to be cool. All right, here we go. So there's the final stitch on this side. I just got it tied up in a knot. I certainly have learned that paying attention to your stitching matters. I am not the most perfect on the stitching, especially over here, but hey, you know, it's going to be a custom design, so it's bespoke. This is the inside so far. Super excited. Got the bag 99% done. All I have to do is punch a couple holes in these little tabs sticking off and trim it up so that it can go in this buckle here and be the right size. And that's what we're gonna do right now. All done, look at that. Got the zipper on top. Side pieces you can hold like this when he's traveling. And then the inside all lined with black leather with a brown bottom to match the outside. Pretty sexy if you ask me. Boom. I think that's going to be a pretty awesome Christmas gift. What do you guys think?